To enable a shop on your Instagram account, follow these steps. It's straightforward, but it's essential to watch the entire process to avoid any mistakes. Firstly, ensure your Instagram account is set up as a professional one. Navigate to your profile page, click on the three bars at the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Account Types and Tools, and choose Switch to Professional Account. Sign up, select Shop as the best description for you, and click Done. Choose the business option and proceed. Enter your contact info and click Next. You can connect to Facebook if you wish, or skip this step. Next, follow the instructions to complete the setup process. Once your professional account is set up, return to your profile page, and click on Edit Profile. Scroll down to find the Actions button option and select it. Here, you can set up your shop by choosing a button, such as Add Lead Form or other options like Order, Book Now, or Reserve, depending on your needs. Choose the appropriate option and proceed to set up your shop from there.